Hi everyone, I'm full of excitement because today's video is super special. You've been with me through so many IKEA hacks, asking amazing questions about everything from paint types to wood choices, and I finally put together something that answers literally everything you've been asking about. So say hello to the IKEA Hackers DIY Handbook, My Designs. This isn't just any DIY guide, this is basically my brain downloaded into a book, and it's available right now on Amazon. You know those comments you've been leaving asking about the exact painting techniques or what size I make the gaps or how to adapt my hacks to fit your specific space? It's all in here. I'm talking everything from nitty-gritty details of each hack to my complete guide on choosing the right materials and customizing designs for your home. Inside you'll find step-by-step plans for all my popular hacks, my complete painting guide, yes, all my secrets, the exact types of wood I use and why, tips for modifying designs to fit your space, all those measurements you've been asking for, and my personal design principles for creating custom hacks. Think of this as having me right there with you, walking you through everything from picking your materials to putting on the final coat of paint. The link to grab your copy is right in the description box, and yes, we've got worldwide shipping. Whether you're in Australia or Austria, Canada or Croatia, you can get your hands on this complete guide and start transforming your IKEA furniture into custom pieces that perfectly fit your home. Now here's something fun I want to share with you. I'm actually planning a brand new PAX hack for January, and guess what? I'm using my own handbook as a reference. I know that might sound funny, but when you've done as many hacks as I have, sometimes you need a reminder of exactly how you tackled things the first time round. For this January project, I'm taking everything I learned from my previous PAX hacks, all documented right here in this handbook, and putting a fresh spin on it. And you know what? That's exactly why I wrote this book. Whether you're a first timer or like me, coming back for another PAX project, having these detailed plans and measurements at your fingertips is absolutely priceless. Stay tuned to my channel because in January you'll get to see this PAX hack come to life, and you can follow along with your own copy of the handbook. Remember, the link to grab your copy is in the description box below. Let's make 2025 the year of amazing IKEA hacks together.